we're here to show you all the wonderful things you can do at the Downs. There are so many clubs, activities, hobbies and experiences, trips to go on.
We have children from around the world, different cultures, living together, and that's really special.
What I found most surprising here is the amount of cultures that are surrounding me. It's very nice to see.
The Downs Malvern has really helped me feel at home because we have so many staff and friends around us that if you have any problems you can go to them and they'll fix it, and you just feel so at home here that there's nothing really to worry about.
Like, people are really kind and you can make friends really fast.
Boarding house's parent is really kind. It's like it let me feel home.
By boarding at the Downs helped me understanding how friendship works. It helps me understand how life with others around you, because at the end you're living with someone else, you need to think on the other person, not only you, and it helps with a lot of life skills and a lot of lessons.
To make friends, it's been very easy because everyone in the Downs is so nice to you and welcoming, and everyone's basically your friend and everyone looks out for you if you're struggling or if you're just happy. They always hang out with you, never alone.
Our weekend programme is very full. It starts with Saturday hobbies, where the children choose a range of basically clubs and activities. There are lots on offer: golf, photography, all sorts of things. And in the afternoon we take part in competitive sport. There is training, and there are also a range of matches against local schools.
The weekend on Saturday we can do sort of things in the Saturday hobby. You can choose 2 things in the activity. You can do some biking, mountain biking, and baking.
The best thing about boarding is the food is amazing.
We have things like the camp outs that are really good, we can do on the ground for the younger children. Rupert, tomorrow you're going on a run, aren't you? We've got sports day coming up as well on main games. Also we'll go up the Malvern Hills and have a picnic up there, and we can enjoy our surroundings, get outside, keep ourselves healthy.
I wanted to study in the UK because I wanted a new experience and I wanted to try a new curriculum out.
Downs Malvern has helped me make a lot of new friends. Also, I have improved my independence here, and also my organisation has also improved.
It's fun above all, boarding at the Downs, but equally, developing independence and preparing them for the next step onto senior school.